Welcome, it's Marie from Nom, and I'm using these cardboard pieces from the last short video. I'll be making a card shuffle. I cut it before I start recording because having that recorded, it'll be too much. And yeah, I use a knife to do that slot cut. Now I'm gluing the sides to make that small box. I made that thing for the lid. I can shuffle it without having the cards fall off. Now I'm also doing the walls for the slots. Now time for some clear tape for a smooth slide, and do that as well, or a steep hill. A test run. Now add some paint, black and white. Time for a magic effect. I did all this painting because I don't want it to be all boring. Now it's a sketch of those things, and this time for painting. Ta-da! All finished, and that stylish shade I've done, that's awesome. I have a little trouble with the clubs and the spade. And that card word, I put a K in there to be stylish, and there's no reference of that C. And there's some duct tape in the back to make it all smooth. Time for some shuffling. You only put few cards so it won't mess up and get stuck badly. I shake it. And there's a different way, an alternate way. You can like push it to slide. The right part had a little trouble, so I adjusted later on. Wow, wait, look at that. They're all shuffled. So, what do you think of this video so far? Card shuffle without any gears and electricity, wires. This is Marie from Nom, and see you around. Have a good one.